Mia's Journey, A Story of Hope. Mia was a young girl who lived in a small, quiet town with her parents. Her house was small, and her family did not have much money, but Mia had a big dream. She wanted to become an artist. She loved drawing more than anything. Every day after school, she would sit by the window with her old broken pencil and draw pictures on the back of used papers. Life was not easy for Mia. Her father lost his job, and her mother worked long hours in a bakery. Mia couldn't buy new colors or sketchbooks like other children. Her shoes had holes and her school bag was torn. Some children at school made fun of her. They laughed at her old clothes and called her names. Mia felt hurt, but she stayed quiet. Deep inside, she carried something strong. Hope. She believed that one day her life would get better. One morning, a new art teacher came to the school. Her name was Ms. Lily. She was kind and warm, and she smiled at everyone. When she entered the classroom for the first time, she noticed Mia sitting alone. Miss Lily walked to her and said, "Hello, what's your name?" Mia shyly said, "I'm Mia." From that moment, something started to change. A few days later, Miss Lily gave the class a special assignment. "Draw your biggest dream," she said. The whole class became excited. Mia wanted to draw so badly, but she had no good paper or colored pencils. That evening, she searched the house and found an old piece of cardboard. She took her tiny pencil and began to draw. She drew a big city with lights and tall buildings. In the center, she drew herself standing in front of a gallery, painting on a large canvas. She worked for hours, smiling the whole time. The next day, Mia gave her drawing to Miss Lily. The teacher looked at it and smiled brightly. "Mia, this is beautiful," she said. "You have a gift." Mia felt her heart grow warm. Ms. Lily asked if she could show the drawing to the school's art club. Mia agreed. A week later, Mia's drawing was hanging on the school wall for everyone to see. Students stopped to look at it. Some of the same kids who laughed at her now said, "Wow, this is amazing." For the first time, Mia felt proud of herself. That little success gave Mia new energy. She started drawing every day again. Ms. Lily began to give her extra art lessons after school. Sometimes she gave her colored pencils and good paper. Mia worked hard and listened carefully. She wanted to improve. She wanted to chase her dream. But hope is not always easy to keep. One day, Mia's mother became sick and could not work. Things became harder at home. Mia thought about stopping her drawings and helping at the bakery. She felt sad and confused. But Ms. Lily noticed her sadness. "Don't give up, Mia," she said softly. "Hope is like a little candle. You must protect it, even when the wind blows." Mia decided to keep going. She helped her mother in the mornings and studied and drew in the evenings. She was tired, but she never let go of her dream. Months passed. Her drawings became better and better. One day, Ms. Lily told her about an art competition in the city. Mia was scared, but she entered it. She worked on her painting for 2 weeks. She used soft colors and strong lines. Her picture showed a girl walking through a dark forest. There were shadows and sadness, but in the corner, a small light shone from the girl's heart. That light was hope. Weeks later, the results came. Mia won second place. She couldn't believe it. She was invited to visit an art school in the city. People clapped for her. Her eyes filled with tears, not of sadness, but of joy. Mia's life was still not perfect. Her family still struggled. But now people knew her name. She was not the poor girl with broken shoes anymore. She was the girl with the dream, the girl who never gave up. And most of all, Mia learned one powerful truth. As long as you carry hope in your heart, you are never truly lost.